In this lecture, we'll be covering arithmetic operators in Python. And here is the list of all the arithmetic operators. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, remainder, that's modulus operator. Then we have exponent, unary negative, and unary positive. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of these. So here we'll start one by one. Let's go with addition. So here I'll run this. So x is 10, y is 5, total is 15. Then we will have subtraction, x minus y, and the result, as you can see, 10 minus 5 is 5. And then here x into y. Let's run it again, and the result comes as 50. Then we divide this, x divided by y, and let's check it out. Here we have 2.0. So the result, as you can see, is coming as float. But if you want to go with the integer division, you can make use of //. Let's run this now. And here you can see the output now is 2. That's an integer. Then we have the modulus operator, x modulo y. So this will be 0 because 10 divided by 5 returns no remainder at all. Then we have exponent. And here we have the exponent, x raised to the power y. Let's go with unary negative and unary positive. So for that, we'll have, let's say x is equal to unary negative, that's minus x. And similarly, we'll do the same with y is equal to plus y. So here, let's print the result now for these unary operators, and let's call it as x and y here, and let's see the output. So here you can see unary negative makes x as negative 10, and positive doesn't change at all because this is already a positive, so that remains 5. So these are all the arithmetic operators that Python provides. We'll be covering other types of operators in upcoming lectures.